Good morning, good morning, good morning. I just woke up probably like 15 minutes ago, so let's do this. Alright. So we marked out the daily levels. Previous day's high, previous day's low. Okay. We're on the NASDAQ. A 4-hour. Marking out this inversion gap here. We still have these levels to the downside. I feel like this previous day's low wants to be taken. I feel like this previous day's low wants to be taken to fill the rest of this gap, right? We still have this. We still didn't fill this fully. I mean, we retested it last week, but never fully filled it. It looks like we filled like 80% of it from this gap here. Yeah, like probably around 80%. But we just been in like a consolidation here overnight. So I'm looking for the open to shake out some stops, right? Let's see. This might be ran through already, so. Go to 15-minute here. TDI, nothing on the TDI right now. Alrighty. So, order flow is bearish on the hourly, right? You have a high, low, lower high, lower low. Okay, looks like the open is in right now. Just in this range here. Let's go to 15. See where we're at. Today's FOMC minutes at 2 o'clock Eastern. Let's see. Where are we at on the excuse me, on the EMAs? Yeah, this looks kind of gross, bro. Like it's December 30th, and I like to see more sells, you know, take out previous day's low. I want to see a sweep of session liquidity. Let's put on our session indicators here. Boom. Okay. Let's put on midnight. Midnight's up here. Looks like it wants to be tapped. This could do like a lot of shaking and baking before the FOMC minutes here. So currently the red lines are Asian session. This is Asia low, Asian high. This is London low, London high. Midnight's up here, right here at this line. Okay. See where our previous day's point of control is. This is from Monday. Looks like we're engaged at, like, this is the previous day's point of control. Everything is really like super stacked together. You know, our levels are, our key levels are really stacked together here. Check the stream here, check the stream. Stream is good, stream is good. Ow. My wrist is killing me. All right. We got our live account pulled up on this, right here, on the trading view. And I got my top one futures accounts pulled up as well. So I'll be copy trading everything if we see a trade. If not, we don't take nothing. You know, we want to see a sweep of session liquidity or previous day liquidity. I would love to see us take this out, this low, previous day's low. But market doesn't care what I want. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Bearish gap here on the 15. Looks like we've been respecting it. Relative equal lows here at the session. Lows for London and Asia. You know, buyers stepped in yesterday around this level. It's doing the same thing again today. I'm gonna wait for the range to set. Opening range. We got opening range low right here. Waiting for that to settle in. Opening range low. Okay, so that's the 15. So we got on the 5 minute. It's very, very choppy here. I mean, this is like, what do you do here, honestly? You know, we have some divergence here on the TDI, the 5 minute. And you got this divergence right here. We got a divergence for the buys. I mean, if we're just playing the range, right? This is mid-range, the top of range. Not too happy about that one. This is bearish overflow. Higher time frame overflow is bearish. Whoa, look at this. This is kind of crazy. Yeah, so this we're gonna wait for this to shake out here. So 1 minute here. We're just in a range right now. I mean, we could play the range. We could play the range to the top of the range, but I'm not comfortable taking longs here. We do have equal highs, I believe. Let me see. There's equal highs, kind of, low key. I mean, you could say these are equal highs, right? On the 5-minute. Could just be playing this range here. Equal highs, equal lows. Like, I think they're just, these are equal highs, equal lows. Ugh. You know, I just can't wait until January, like, settles in, man. Like, December can just go, like, bye-bye, you know what I'm saying? Like, December PA is, like, pretty, like, merp. I think they're setting up for just playing this range until FOMC is coming in. I'd like to see us sweep something. You know what I mean? Like, we gotta sweep some. We gotta sweep something, baby. We gotta sweep something. We're just kind of inside bar right now. Inside bar day right now. Oh. Inside bar day means when we haven't, when we have not, you know, broken out of previous day's high or previous day's low. We're just in we're in a discount of the range right now. I mean, this is a low, higher low, higher low. Waiting for this 15-minute to close here with what is the sentiment of the day? Sellers are in. Let's see where we're at on the EMAs. I'd love for us to tap this, you know. Just get rid of this until it's ready. Let's check the stream. Looking good, looking good. Give me 1 minute, I'll be right back. we're back. I mean, we're chopping, so it's like, do I want to engage in this PA? You know, you got to ask yourself that. You know, do you feel comfortable putting risk on the table today? Before news. There we go. Okay, so we're getting some kind of sweep of those equal lows. And also we're just at this previous day's point in control. I really think sellers are in, you know, end of the month. I like to see some more movement out of these ranges and then take trades. You know, why am I gonna, you know, try to guess where the market's gonna go right now? I want the market to show us our hand first. And then we place trades. You know? This kind of just looks like ass right now. And if it's a no trade day, no big deal. Don't care. Come back tomorrow. We feel no FOMO. We feel no sense of urgency. Time is our friend. And when you keep that kind of mentality, you focus on capital preservation and, you know, sticking to your rules. That's what is of top priority, not trying to scalp or make money from something that's just, you know, at the end of the day, not clear. It's very important. All right, so the opening range is set. Let's go to mark off those levels. And we got opening range high. Okay. Just watching the 15-minute here. I mean, if we start to pull up after sweeping this overnight, stops here. There's a lot of equal lows there, here. Equal lows, equal lows, equal lows. Okay. It would be a cheap long idea, where we're just stopping at previous day's low. Be a cheap long. Not really that cheap, actually. This is a big stop here to the top of the range. This is one trade idea. Let's go to 5 minute. Retesting the Asian range low, pushing down. Whoa, see, look at this. This is kind of crazy. Sweeping this. Do we take longs here? Do we take longs here, ladies and gentlemen? Change in state of character. Broke these highs on the 1 minute. That was an aggressive pull up from the buyers there. I'm just not confident with the longs. Really not confident with the longs. If we get a pull up here, I want to take it up to these highs. It could be playing this range. Not sure I'm confident with the longs, but your stop would have to be here, man. You know, your stop would have to be here. Or you put your stop here. Wait for this to develop a little bit more. 5 minute. Yeah, this thing is just playing this range, brother. Swept this liquidity. Might be even too late to enter. Might be too late to enter. Yeah. This thing is playing the range, brother. This thing is playing the range. It's gonna take out these equal highs. Go up to midnight. Let's see what happens. Fudge. Yeah, brother. Yeah. This is yep. You could have taken this range play, you know. It would have been up pretty good. TDI, shark fin, blood and water. Yeah. You were pretty accurate with that range play right there, buddy. You know, that range play would have been nice. It just wasn't, you know, I'm more of a trend continuation guy. Excuse me. But I could have played this range. It's not really my, it's like a B, like a C setup. B setup, B, C setup. So, you know. We take these out, looking for some kind of inversion up here. So we get this gap on the 15, I mean the 5 rather. If we inverse this, I just don't like it, bro. Like, I really don't like it. It's gonna sweep this out too. It's gonna sweep this, sweep this. Being patient here on this range day. All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. Looks like booty. Looks like booty. I mean, higher time frame, 4 hour, you get the low, higher low. Midnight engaged. This would have been a nice range play to midnight, brother. You know, retested previous day's point of control, swept out liquidity from these equal lows, right? From the session lows here of Asia and London, take it up to midnight. That would have been a good play. I was kind of telling myself that I wasn't really comfortable with the long, so midnight engaged. Midnight engaged. So that target is fulfilled. I don't know, bro. Might be a no trade day here. Might be a no trade day. Excuse me, chat, because it's 6:54 in the morning. I woke up very late today. So, you know, my reaction time is not the best here. I wish I lived in the Eastern Standard Time. Wake up at appropriate time. But it is what it is. You know, 99% of the time you're waiting and trading, so shit is boring. You know, you just want to identify what's going on and seeing if you want to put a risk on the table. That's what it comes down to. If you see opportunities, then you take it. Buyers stepped in, just like they did yesterday, you know, around this level. Okay. If we frame the long idea back up to this midnight, because usually midnights get tapped, right? We're still in the inside of this range. Okay, buyers have really stepped in. Buyers have really stepped in, bro. Okay. Let's see where we're at. Okay, we're pushing up. I think longs might be in. Took out both the session liquidities. Stops here, stops here. See inversion. 5-minute inversion. Yeah, this would have been a good trade. But like, where's your stop, bro? Like, your stop would have been at this swing low, like to the top of the range, -R. Like, that's fucked up. Like, no, dude. You know, this inversion gap, it closed above it, retested it, it would have been here. I mean, based on structure, your stop would have been here, But like, you could have had a really tight stop here, but that's so stupid. You know, look at this fucking monster candle, dude. Insane. Did the same thing as yesterday. 6:30, 9:30 Eastern. Just ran up and then dumped. So like, same thing as yesterday. I wouldn't be surprised if we slam back down into the range before the FOMC minutes. Like, inducing longs. I mean, buyers are in. If we can get a retest of opening range high, like this, retesting this 5-minute inversion, no, it's this 5-minute. Zoom in here. Super scalpy. Excuse me. I'm about ready to call it a day because I don't like what's going on. It's not ideal conditions. You know, no trade is a trade, bro. You don't have to engage. You don't have to push anything. Take your hands and put it on your ass. That's what you can do. Alright, let's look at the 1 hour. I'm getting something here. So, I would like for us to come back into 50% of this bullish engulfing. We swept the liquidity on this hourly. If we can come back here, boom, boom, that would be nice. Let's see. What is today? Let's take a look here. Yeah. All right. Let's see if we can get it. Take the longs at this retest. Let's see if we take the longs at this retest here. The 50%. Okay. I don't know, bro. Do I like the longs? Popped out of this range. It's a very strong candle. But we could do the same shit we did yesterday. We had this strong run up. Excuse me. That will be in alignment with the with the opening range high. Check the stream, looking good. I think we might be able to take it. I mean, we could put a limit order. Where would your stop be? Where's your stop? Stop is freaking far, man. Stop is freaking far, bro. Oh man, excuse Yeah, sweep here, sweep here. It's like, ugh. Already took out the levels of liquidity that I wanted. Equal highs there on the hourly. This wants to push up, I believe. Let's look at ES. ES is like still stuck there. Ugh, man. ES, ES, ES. What are you doing, ES? This is still looking like ass. I feel like taking this long here. So basically this would be my trade idea. This would be my trade idea. This would be my another negative R, or it's kind of 1-to-1, but like I don't want to put a lot of risk, you know. I mean, we did this first, we swept this out first. Where's the next logical level? Equal highs here. You know what I mean? Looks like it wants to be taken at some point. Tap back into this gap. Do I like it? Yeah, we can put some risk on, and we'll keep a close eye on it. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's keep a close eye on it. Come on, bro. Tap me in. Tap a brother in. Tap a brother in. Tap a brother in. I don't like... Nah. Fuck this. For a second here. Fuck this. Do I want to fuck this? Yes, has equal lows here. That might want to be taken, bro. Ugh. That might want to be taken. Do I want to take these longs? Do I want to take these longs, brother? Never filled. Move out 1 micro. We'll do 1 micro. Just because it's like FOMC, you know what I'm saying? No fill, and I'm looking at my top 1 futures.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in on all accounts on the longs. Now, if we start trading down here, I gotta get out. Let's see where this is gonna go. Do we do the shake and bake and get clapped today? Do we get clapped today? Let's see. We are in a trade right now, ladies and gentlemen. If we close below this gap, I'm out. Digging deeper into this. Digging deeper into that. This 5-minute gap needs to hold. This 5-minute gap needs to hold. If we slice below it, then we gotta get out before our protected stop. So this is our soft stop here. Close below here. This is our protected stop. Alright. Watching the 5-minute here. They really dug into that thing. They really dug into it. That's why I'm trading low size, dude, you know. This is the same shit as yesterday, brother. Same shit as yesterday. Line in the sand, previous day's point of control. I have to get out if we close well below it. Tapping it again. This looks like shit. This looks like shit. Induced longs. Is it my fault for trading on FOMC day? Yeah. kind of identified that I didn't want to participate, but still did. Look at this. Same shit as yesterday. Dumperoonie. Yeah, this looks like shit. Looks like shit. Looks like ass. This looks like ass. Looks like ass. For real, bro. Ugh. Very, very deep. It's a 5 minute. I got to close if it's gotta close below this gap, so you know what I'm saying? They really, you know. Okay, all right. Before it even closes on the 5 minute, you're gonna take me out. Like, this is pretty obnoxious. Very obnoxious. All right, chat. You know, we just trade our plan. What can we do? What are you gonna do? If this wikis and closes inside this gap, ugh, but it looks like shit right now. It really looks like shit. Just really looks like shit. I'm gonna get stopped. I'm gonna get stopperoonied. This does not look like my A+. Does not. This is just like, I want to squeeze something out of this type shit, you know? And, yeah. Yeah, we close below that. I should be exiting. Should very well be exiting. I should be exiting. Let's see if I can lose less here. This looks like fucking ass wipe. Vagina. Vagina. I'm closing this. I have to. But it's like we're in a range, bro. You're gonna take me out and take me out. What are you gonna do? This looks like ass for the longs. For the longs, looks like ass. Looks like ass. It dug so deep into this. You know, it dug so deep into this. Even it, like, whoa, you know? It dug so deep into this. To the 886, bro. To the 886 fib. Just looks like balls. Balls and vagina. This trade is already invalidated. And, you know, I think I just want to take my small scratch, bro. Like, rare. I think I just want to get the hell out. I'm out. And we're out. No, I'm not dealing with it. Not dealing with it. I got a lot to do today, chat. Just not really a good day to trade, so. What are you gonna do? Anyway. This is probably gonna play this fucking range and so I'm not gonna expend more mental capital than I need to. That's gonna be it for me. Thank you for tuning in. That'll be good. Should not have traded. Bye.